On number 22, we have two independent samples, a two-sample t-test or two-sample t-interval in this case, since we're looking at a confidence interval. And then we want to know if we can conclude that there's a difference between the two population means, which you'll see in a second if you haven't already. None of those answers are correct because the confidence interval, when you select stats and put in the mean, standard deviation n, 15, 9, 10, 2, and 7, 12.2, 13.4, and 9. Confidence level, yes, it won't come up with a no either, but if we had a pool, then we're going to calculate, and it's going to come out to be about 9.8 or minus 9.8 to about 16.4. So that should have been one of the options for the confidence level, for the confidence interval. And the second part of that is, and we should not conclude that there's a difference because the interval includes 0, and if it's 0, then there isn't a difference. We can't conclude there's a difference because there might not be one. It has 0. Okay, and the next one we have distribution where the population distribution is skewed. It has 3 outliers. I mean, 3 people are driving a long way further than anybody else. But anyway, that population mean is 20 and a standard deviation of 10. And we want to know what we can say about the sampling distribution with sample sizes of size 49. Well, it's going to have the same mean. The population and the sampling distribution will have the same mean. Mu is equal, the mean of the x bars is equal to the mean of the population. But the standard error will be the population standard deviation, that was 7, divided by the square root of n, that's 49. So 7 divided by the square root of 49 is 1. So that puts us down to either option B or option D. We have mean of 20, standard error of 1 in both of those. Will it be a bell curve? The answer is yes. We have outliers, but as long as we have a sample size of 49, above 40, then we're okay. Now, if it turned out that we also had some extreme values, then we would not be able to make that case. We would have to say it might not be approximately normal if we had extreme values. But with outliers and a sample size of 49, we're good to go on that.